Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to do VLookup on Google Spreadsheet. So I have prepared a simple spreadsheet for you guys over here. As you can see, this spreadsheet contains the information or data of this 4% and their scores. So how do you want to extract this data into this blank space over here? We're going to use the formula VLookup search key range index and is sorted. So how we're going to do that? Okay, the first things first, you have to press over here and just type an equal sign, type VLookup, there you go, and then just press on this search key over here and then just put a comma, and we're going to put the range which is from all over here, just and then just put another comma and then put the index. Since we're going to use the first one, we're going to type number 1 here because we want the student's ID, and we're going to write false and put bracket, and there you go, you have the first data of this student's ID. And in order to have this three other students ID, you don't have to put all the functions all over again. You just have to press here and just drag all the way down, and there you go, you have all the students ID right now. Okay, next is we're moving on, we're going to put the name. So basically it's the same, just put an equal sign, type VLookup, and then for the search key just press on the student's ID, which is B3, and then put a comma, and for the range we just put all over there. And since we want to use name, we need to type 2 because it's in index 2. And finally we just type false and put a bracket, and there you go, you have the name of the first person. Same goes with before, you just have to drag down to enter all the names from the data before. Now moving on, we're going to move to the scores. The scores, we just basically type equal sign VLookup, and then the same thing, you just press on B3, which is the search key, put a comma, and the range is all of this. Just copy all of this. I'm sorry, just basically just put all this and put another comma, and then the index is 3 because we want to use the third column, and finally false bracket, and there you go, you have the number, you have the scores for the first person. And in order to get all of the scores, you just have to drag it down, and there you go, you have the final scores for everything. So that's how you do VLookup, and I hope this video helped you, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this. The reason why we use false is because our table of data is based on accurate and fixed data, which means we don't have to assume that other data is going to be put into the blanks. That's why we use false instead of true. That's all from me. Thank you.